PP Islands, a group of stunning beautiful islands in the Andaman Sea off the coast of Thailand, were once plagued by the problems of over-tourism, prompting local authorities to close its most famous tourist spot, Maya Bay, in mid-2018. As tourism begins to pick up in the islands after the pandemic-induced lull, local authorities are striving to balance the need to attract visitors with the need to protect the environment. The number of people entering Maya Bay Beach now has been reduced from around 7,000 per run to just 375, with strict limitations on their activities and lengths of stay on the island. In addition, tourists are only permitted to step shallowly into the water and stand in a spot where the sea level is below their knees, so as to avoid any disturbance to the coral's delicate ecosystem. Private sector has also played an important role in repairing the island's ecosystem. One of the best examples is the establishment of the Marine Discovery Center, which serves as a comprehensive institution for education and marine life cultivation.
The knowledge center is contained about the marine, environmental, conservation, rehabilitation, and we have a lot of projects here. From 2019, we released almost 50 clownfish back to the nature. Save Our Sharks project, we start this project on 2021. Until now, 2 years, almost 2 years, we released the sharks, the bamboo sharks back to the nature, 25 of them. From 2018 until now, the guests that come to this center is almost 17,000 people.
Well, look, I mean, protecting the environment, I think, is something that belongs to all of us. We breed sharks, we breed clownfish, we work a lot on an educational aspect where we get schools to come in to learn about the environment, about the corals, about the restoration of seagrass and so forth. So this is not about, the government doing something and the local businesses doing something. It's how we can work together to make it better for everyone.